So I happened on a back road, came up on this river. The road just dead ends into the river and continues on the other side, so only one way across. So I got out and checked it as well as I could. Didn't know if there might be a trough out in the middle. That'd be bad. So I started across. A little way through, I just kind of stand up and, look out and see if there was a trough I was going to drop into. There wasn't, but the water was up by my doors, and there was water down. Made it across. That was a good day. Good day.
Oh,
so I get to the end of this road, and it tees into this other road, and this is out by Marble City, and this guy is as redneck as you get. Shantytown. Trespassers will be shot. Survivors will be shot again. OU fans parking only. So that's my adventure in the sticks.